Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So today I want to go over this contraption. Now this is the manual and the automatic decompression for a XR250r. Now this is a 1994 model. So I want to show you how these should be set up. There's two different settings you have to do. One is going to be for your automatic. So the automatic one here is when you use the kickstart, it moves it here, okay? So what you want to do is make sure your bike is at top dead center. Make sure your valves are adjusted properly. All right. When that's all done, then you want to do this setting. So the book says here you should have 1 to 2 millimeters of play. So just grab it. Check for your 1 to 2 millimeters of play right here. And you can feel it. It's free and then it stops. And if you look inside of here, if you're not sure, you'll be able to see. All right, so if you look inside here, you can see the actuator right there. You see it moving. So that's the free play that we're doing. So we're getting 1 to 2 millimeters right there. So you can watch it and you can see that it's not moving the valve at all and it has free play. So 1 to 2 millimeters here. And then we got to go up top. All right, and here's our manual. This is our manual decompressor right here. This is for like when you flood the bike out. Here you want to have between 5 and 8 millimeters of play. And you can say I have too much play here. So we're going to adjust this one to bring this down a little bit. Right here. With that adjustment, and I adjusted it right here. Now after you adjust it, double check this for your 1 to 2 millimeters right here. And we're still good. And we're all set. All right, guys, so that's all there is to it. Now remember, if you adjust this too tight, it's going to hold your valve down and you're going to have low compression in the engine. So if you're trying to do a compression test or something, make sure you disconnect all of these to do your compression test and then make sure they're adjusted properly or else they'll hold that valve down and lose all your compression. So hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.